meteorologist Brian Briggs.
Well, it was a beautiful day across the ArkLaMiss, and we're setting up to have a very nice evening with cooler temperatures still. Looks like the sensor is offline, but as of what we saw last time, it was 90 degrees here in Monroe. So we didn't really get all too hot today. We actually we were spoiled and had very nice temperatures for most of the ArkLaMiss. We're sitting in the upper 80s now. We're starting to cool off slightly. You know, the sun's starting to set a little bit, and those temperatures are going to be expected to go on the downward trend at least into this evening. We start to heat up into the weekend into next week, but it's always a good sign when those heat index values are really not much off from what the current temperature is, and you know, that in addition to the cooler temperatures, we also have seen those lower humidity values over the last few days or so, but that's going to change. But also too, our live storm tracker Doppler radar is quiet as well, not seeing any of the way of those showers and thunderstorms. The only significant rainfall is well off to the north in northern Arkansas, but that's not expected to hit us anytime soon. As this high pressure system that is situated over Texas, it's going to act like a wall, keeping all of those weather systems from trying to make it into our way. What that means for us is that we get, you know, we see the end of that very nice weather, and we start to see more typical August weather moving back into the ArkLaMiss pretty much till further notice, as we're not expecting really any of the way of any cooler air masses or significant rain chances heading into the future. But, you know, it'll be nice. We'll have a dry weekend in store, and, you know, just kind of, you know, drier weather. But we also need the rain as well. In addition to that, the latest drought monitor is showing those reds and oranges creeping further eastward into the ArkLaMiss, which is not so good news for the farmers. You know, the drier that it gets, the more it starts to impact things as far as crops and everything, and you know, that's just not good news. So we're hoping for the rain, but you know, we like the nice weather too, and but it's looking like it's going to stay dry at least for the next few days. Now, high pressure situated over us. Again, we may see a very slight chance for some of those pop-up storms on Sunday, but again, I'm keeping that actually at less than a 10% chance, so really not anything significant. But you know, high pressure will kind of slow down a little bit into the beginning of next week, offering some higher rain chances. But as I mentioned, beautiful evening on tap with temperatures in the upper 60s, and just maybe a few clouds passing here and there. And then we begin our warm-up and our increase in humidity for tomorrow, a high of around 94. So yeah, it's going to be humid and hot tomorrow, but maybe if you're in the mood, good day to go out and enjoy something. And it's going to be dry this weekend, which it seems like it's been raining the last few weekends in a row, and it's kind of nice to see a break in the rain on the weekend. But you know, what comes with that is the heat, 95 degrees for both Saturday and Sunday, and then not too much of a cool off. And as I mentioned, those rain chances just kind of hanging around for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But it's going to be spotty, you know, just those heat of the afternoon showers and thunderstorms, but no significant rainfall or severe weather expected out of this. So, but you know, kind of typical August, you know, weather for the ArkLaMiss.
We should consider ourselves lucky that we had some cool days, right?
Yeah, that was very nice. You know, we had the severe weather that came with it, unfortunately, but then we were rewarded with a few nice days after that. But
there you go.
Kind of back to the same old, same old.
Keep the water coming to the teams at Bayou Jam.